Backward roll, gymnastics rings, band assisted. The band assisted backwards roll on the gymnastics rings is a great drill for building strength and confidence in the backward roll to support. The band takes away just enough body weight to help you get through the hardest part of the roll and allows you to train the skill and gradually build the strength. The size of the band matters. A thick band gives more assistance and makes the skill easier. A thinner band gives less assistance and makes it harder. The length of the band between the rings also changes difficulty. The more slack you leave between the rings, the less help you get. If the band is pulled tight, it gives you more lift. Start in a ring support position. Move into a deep dip with the band touching the bottom of the rib cage and the body in a slight pike. Maintain this slight pike as you perform an eccentric muscle-up transition. This is one of the most important parts. Keep the rings close to your chest and lock in a strong false grip. Don't allow the elbow angle to open too much here. Keep tension in the biceps and keep the rings touching the torso. As you lower through the eccentric muscle-up transition, lift your legs up so your torso is parallel to the floor and your feet point straight to the sky. From here, lift your hips up and over the band. Think about pulling your belly button as high as possible. This is the second critical step. It makes the back roll much easier and takes stress off the shoulders and elbows. As you pull up on the rings to lift the belly button higher, extend into a hollow body shape. Then seesaw the body over the rings. As the legs come down, push hard into the rings to lift the torso up and return to a solid ring support. Pay close attention to the grip. At the bottom of the muscle-up transition, you'll be in a false grip. But as the hips roll up and over the rings, the hands naturally rotate so the palms face forward, like a full RTO dip. This change of hand position gives you the leverage to move the torso from below the rings to above the rings. Aim to do the movement slowly and with as much control as possible. Pay close attention to the critical parts of the movement. Number 1, keeping the rings connected to the torso as you perform the eccentric muscle-up transition. Number 2, pulling your belly button as high as possible as you lift the hips up and over the band. Each time you do a backwards roll, the ring straps will twist and make each consecutive rep harder. After finishing your set, it's best to unravel the straps before starting your next set. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.